In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zerodha to TradingView. Connecting these two platforms is a great way to enhance your trading experience by leveraging TradingView's advanced charting tools alongside Zerodha's brokerage services. Although there isn't a direct integration, I'll guide you on a straightforward method to synchronize the two effectively. To begin, navigate to the TradingView website and, once you're there, open the chart you're interested in. Whether you have specific instruments in mind or you're exploring, make sure you have your desired chart up and ready on your screen. TradingView is known for its robust charting capabilities, which makes it a favorite among traders. It offers a variety of tools to customize your analysis, so feel free to arrange your indicators and chart settings according to your preferences. Once you're set with your chart, it's time to proceed by clicking on the trading panel. You'll generally find this panel located at the lower section of the TradingView webpage. Opening the trading panel unveils a list of available broker connections that can be directly integrated through TradingView. Here, you will be able to see a comprehensive list of brokers that support direct connections via the TradingView platform. However, there's a key detail you need to know. Zerodha is not among the brokers you can directly connect to within TradingView itself. While it might seem a bit disappointing at first, don't worry, there's a workaround that allows you to utilize both platforms effectively without the need for direct integration. What you can do instead is head over directly to Zerodha's website and log into your account. You may need to open a separate browser tab or window for this step. Logging into Zerodha separately means you can execute trades and manage your portfolio while simultaneously using TradingView for real-time analysis and charting insights. While it might seem a bit less seamless than having an integrated connection, using Zerodha and TradingView in tandem in this manner still provides a powerful trading solution. TradingView's real-time data and charting accuracy combined with Zerodha's trading capabilities create a comprehensive strategy that's reliable and effective. Also, you don't need to constantly switch back and forth as long as you have both platforms ready at your disposal. By following these steps, you can maximize the strengths of both platforms and ensure that you have access to advanced technical analysis tools while executing your trades efficiently through Zerodha. And there you have it, a simple, effective approach to combining these two powerful resources. Be sure to explore all the features that each platform has to offer and tailor them to fit your trading style for optimal results. Thank you for joining, and I hope this guide helps streamline your trading process. Happy trading!